can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the third Halloween makeup look that I'm going to be creating. Actually, this creation is inspired by a tattoo artist. I actually found them on Pinterest, and I saw all his images, and he has an amazing job. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag you guys, or actually show you the link right there. I'm gonna go ahead and create this look for you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also comment down below, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see this video, and I will get started. Okay, sorry about my palette. I know my palette is a little bit messed up just because baby Ali decided to play around with my palette and mess up my new palette. So anyways, excuse me for my palette. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows black. So I'm gonna be using the black eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. Okay.
Wish I could feel what I can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry, but I can't find it, so would you please enchant me? Give me a potion, put my devotion to the emotion. I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never, my dear.
I'm gonna go ahead and use this foundation, and then I'm gonna be using the Tarte for concealer. Then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be contouring my face with the LA Girl, just a little bit darker one. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use some loose powder and then create some freckles on my skin. So
would you please enchant me? Give me a potion, put my devotion to the emotion. I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never, my dear. Can you make me believe it at night when I call for the magic? 'Cause I just wanna feel it when things go bump in the attic, baby. Like a rabbit pulled from a hat. All that I need, true love can last. Can you help me to see it? 'Cause I want to believe in the magic. Cast all your spells onto me. Touch me with your wand till the light shines through me. Come on, baby, let's get.
okay guys, so I'm gonna be using the palette CCBEAUTY Cosmetics. This is my first time trying this product. Of course, Sephora one is a lot more expensive than this one. I only purchased this one for $25, plus the shipping ended up being like $5 more, so I ended up paying like $30. And the cool thing about it is that it came with some brushes. So I got a set of brushes here, plus this, for only $25, which was insane. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead and create the little teardrop that he...
Feel what I can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry, but I can't find it, so would you please enchant me? Give me a potion, put my devotion to the emotion. I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never, my dear. Can you make me believe it at night when I call for the magic? 'Cause I just wanna feel it when things go bump in the attic, baby. wish I could feel what I can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry that I can't find it, so would you please enchant me? Give me a potion for my devotion to the emotion. I've yet to surrender to...
Alright, so I completed my lips and a little bit more of the detail in my lips. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also comment down below if you guys have any suggestions or any looks that you guys want me to do. Let me know. And yeah, hope you guys like it.